Hey, how's it, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're here in Endicott Springs. We're just going to quickly repair a Centurion D5 Evo gate motor that was struck by lightning, and we're stripping it, making sure that everything is clean, and we're going to fit some new parts into the motor. Lightning got hold of this baby properly. I'll just quickly open it for you. Yeah, there you can see flash over and then the rainbow on it. Yeah, Mike Tango. So let's sort it out.
Maar jy is lekkere wolle bolle.
Alright, our DOS disk is cleaned. And let's quickly put it back. So we're still busy with the repairs on this Centurion gate motor. First things first, basics. Again, what we've done is we've cut the rail off, and it's now support for the gate motor. The steel gate rail at the back. So yeah, we've added in more brackets. Some of them we've left. Most of these brackets were that type of bracket. That's our bracket. It's been welded down. There is still a small one. There is a big one again, a small one. So we didn't remove all of it, but we did support the steel gate rail where it needed to be supported, and then obviously on the inside. Okay, let's quickly see how easily this gate moves. There you can see effortlessly. Ooh. That's what the gate motor wants. Now that everything is done, now we can start with the inside. We've cleaned out the gate motor quickly. I do have a picture of the DOS that's full of oil. So now we can put in the new equipment, program the gate motor limits, and we'll be on our way. Right, let's quickly have a look at the oil level. So the dipstick goes in there, and now you can remove it. There we can see there's oil on the slot. It's not overfilled, and then obviously your oil is clean. So you can see on my hand. So yeah, that's good news. Okay, so we've connected the new power supply to the gate motor controller card, and the battery charging voltage has been set correctly to 14.56 volts. The maximum the battery can handle is end of charge voltage 14.6, which means we cannot go higher than that. 14.56 is just below that. That's correct. So you need the correct battery voltage, charging voltage, to get the complete lifespan out of your lithium battery. So when you're fitting a lithium battery to a gate motor, you get these adapters. We don't use them. We would rather solder in new clamps for the client and make sure that we minimize the connections between the equipment. So we've got the power supply that's in. Let's quickly have a look at the serial number here. So at least we have that on record. And then the controller card. All new equipment. Alright, let's quickly check it. So before we connect the battery leads into the gate motor, we make sure that the battery charging voltage is still set where we set them at test point. Right, now we can connect it and program the gate motor limits. Alright, we're done with the repairs. Let's see how this gate motor runs this gate here in Endicott Springs. Yeah, you can hear that there's no laboring of the gate motor, power being used constant all over the run of the gate. We've also secured the gate motor properly, welded in flat bars on the front side and then also on the rear side. So yeah, another great repair done by Pottie and Amanda. If you want this, just give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288, or Amanda, 083 719 2250. Thanks guys.